Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Real Deal Wealth, you better know me as Daniel on this channel, and today we're going to be talking about two stocks that you can put in your portfolio for the long term. Before we get started, I would just like to let you know I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research. Take your own risk when looking into these companies that I talk about. The two companies that I'm going to be talking about today is first BFT and secondly Apxt. Let's go ahead and take a look at my portfolio and how it's been stacking up against the stock market. Alright, so as we can see, today was kind of a weird day. At one point, if I go over here, I was up as much as almost 8%, and then somehow I dropped all the way down to under 1%. But you know, we finished off the day strong. On the week, we've been doing well, almost up 8%. I had a huge week the other week. 35% in the past month. You know, the 3-month I'm up 63%. So we're doing well, and I'm really happy with all of the purchases that I've been making, and I hope that you guys join along with me so you guys can have the gains that I'm seeing. If you want to, you can go into the description and find my Instagram. There I post my top 5 stocks every Sunday and maybe a bonus or two for you all to be looking at. They usually perform pretty well, and I try to keep everyone up to date on exactly what I'm doing. So now let's hop into the two stocks that I'm talking about and read over some good articles that I found that I wanted to bring to everyone's attention. So the first article that I found, it says Folitrazamine Acquisition 2 is a surefire fintech winner. As you might have guessed from the name of the special purpose acquisition company, it is William Foley who's at the helm of this company and this SPAC. And it's fair to say in this that it says that he knows a thing or two about SPACs, which is very true, and he has a great company in Paysafe that he's going to be merging with. If we want to take a closer look at this company, it was a big time transaction involving no less than $2 billion worth of private investment in public equity from big investors. This is huge. By the middle of December, BFT stock had already broken through the $14 level. Moreover, at the end of 2020, BFT shares were trading near $15, and they did hit a 52-week high of $19.57 before they have had a pullback right now, which this is a perfect opportunity for you to go out and buy this stock because it's huge. It makes billions, not billions, but over $1 billion in revenue already. And from what I read, it has $420 million in profits already. So here we go. It says, why Paysafe? So Foley's been successful in the past. He also has a local celebrity. He is a local celebrity, and he owns the Las Vegas Knights NHL team. So this still leaves open a crucial question. Why would Foley target Paysafe as his next success story? Okay, so he's a guru in business and finance, and it is a perfect fit and precedes nearly $100 billion of payment volume and is effectively staking its claim as the leading integrated payments platform. And we all see where Square is. Square is a huge stock. It's over $200. So if you can get this company, this SPAC at this price and hold it for the long term, think about it. Do you really think it's not a good option? I mean, the worst that could happen is the merger doesn't go through, but from what we've seen, this is going to go through. There's nothing to, make us think that this is not going to happen, all right? So let's go on to the next article. Here it's an article about the 4 best SPACs to buy, and it says the best SPACs to own long term, and BFT is the first one on the list. And it says here that it believes it's among a high-quality SPAC, which I do agree. It has a $9 billion valuation, and an overview of this company, Paysafe, is a digital payments provider with focus on digital commerce and iGaming. It has integrated payments platform and is already processing nearly $100 billion in payment volumes. And currently, Paysafe derives 75% of its revenue from exposure to e-commerce, okay? For the fiscal year 2019, Paysafe reported revenue of $1.4 billion. Between last year and the fiscal year 2023, the company expects revenue growth at a compound annual growth rate of 11%, with 1.9 in revenue guidance for the fiscal year of 2023. What else do I have to say? The money's there. Like I say in all my videos, when they're making money, we are making money. Buy this dip while you have a chance. I did buy some call options, some $20 call options for October 15th, I believe, and I got one for around 530 and the other one for 480 on the dip, and I feel super confident about these. I think it's a no-brainer for me. You do your own research, but a company with these kind of numbers, this kind of backing, and Bill Foley, who's done SPACs before, it's a safe bet. And long term, this company is going to pay off for you, so do not wait. That's all I have to say. Alright, so the next stock that we're going to be talking about is Apxt. Another great SPAC that's been on my radar for months now. And I'm just licking my fingers waiting on this merger to happen and buying up this dip because I see this as a great company for the future. And it has an overall rating of 89, which means it ranks higher than 89% of stocks. And in the financial service sector, it's an 83. So it ranks higher than 83% of these other companies in that sector. So let's take a look at their PowerPoint presentation. I know in another video I went over it, but I just wanted to reiterate. Look at that compound annual growth rate. Do you see how they have the reoccurring revenue and the other types of influx of cash and revenue? Look at that. That's a great growth rate, and that's what we like to see in our companies. And this is very attractive for an investor who's trying to make money. When they make money, we make money, as I continue to say. Let's go on to this next thing. Avepoint's competitors. So as you can see, it has a few competitors here on the screen, but overall, the size of them is not comparable to Avepoint. Avepoint is doing very well, and it's located in 88 countries. It has a nice 17 products, and it also has 4 trademarks, and it also has, pretty good funding. It's also a Microsoft Cloud member, and it's been winning awards from Microsoft for years now, and it's not going to change. And whenever this merger goes through, we're going to see continued growth out of this company, and it's what I love to see. So let's go over here to Apxt's website, where it talks about the total revenue, and it's talking about the year of 2020. So the full year total revenue is expected to be in the range of 148 to 151 million, up 29% year over year at the midpoint. Avepoint had forecasted 148 million at the announcement of the business combination in November 2020. Avepoint also expects cash equivalents and short-term investments to be approximately 70 million as of December 31st, 2020. End quote. Avepoint delivered strong financial results for the fourth quarter and full year of 2020, exceeding our estimate at the time of the announcement of the business combination with Apxt. With the COVID-19 pandemic accelerating Microsoft Teams adoption globally as organizations pivot to remote work collaboration, the need for last-mile solutions to overcome complex transformations, governance, and compliance challenges has dramatically increased, said the CEO of Avepoint. So as the largest data management solutions provider for Microsoft 360, we believe Avepoint is uniquely positioned to capture this opportunity, and we look forward to continuing to lead the market in the years ahead. So they are leading the market in Microsoft 365, and they continue to see the growth to come, and especially with COVID-19 accelerating the growth of a company like this with their, cloud management. This is what we love to see, and I do recommend taking a look into this company. This is something that I feel like is going to be a great long-term investment and something that I'm going to keep in my portfolio for the years to come. It's something that I'm going to keep after the merger and continue to see it grow. So do what you want to do, but I think it is a great play, and you see what I'm bringing you. This is real information. This is coming directly from Apxt's site, so it is what it is. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, make sure you subscribe so you can see more videos. You know, hit the like button, always a good thing, and also hit the notification bell if you want to see my videos when they first come out and you know about all these good stocks that I'm talking about. Other than that, I've had a great time telling you about these two excellent SPACs and turning into two great companies in the future. I hope you have an amazing day. Real Deal Wealth, better know me as Daniel, and I'm out.